Hi, it's Wendy at the library. I just want to share with you some of the homemade instruments that we can use during the story time with the kids. And some of you have already received kits. If you sign up new for the We Read story time, you'll get a little bag with some of these supplies that you can make your own instruments. So let me turn the camera down. Here we go. Some of you have received plastic rings, but also there might be a ring from a mason jar. And want pieces of ribbon that you can cut and tie on to have a nice dancing ribbon. You've also received a big Easter egg. So if you have eggs at home, you can easily make these. Some of you received them with beans, but I also have little beads here. And you put it in, you close the egg up, and then put a piece of tape around that seal so it doesn't come off. And it's a nice rhythm egg. So there's that. There were also some jingle bells with cord to tie around, and most of you got this little can in your kit and a balloon, and this is so you can make your little homemade drum. So you would cut the neck of the balloon off. There we go. Open up your balloon and stretch. I like to stretch it a little bit first before I try to put it on the can. Just like blowing up a balloon, you want to stretch it first sometimes. So I stretch it apart, and then I'll also push up with my thumb so I can flatten some of that out because it's got lots of wrinkles in it. So when I push up, so I'll put it on, push up, and stretch over. There you go. Got a little bit of a bump where the top of the balloon is. That's not too bad. Once you get it on, you'll want to maybe duct tape or some heavy-duty masking tape so that it will stay in place. And grab an everyday pencil. We got my drum. So we'll use some of these in our We Read story time that we do virtual online. And if you haven't registered yet and you want to get a kit so your child can participate, it's for 1 to 3 year olds and it's on our calendar. So hope to see you soon. We're going to have fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.